This arrived on Saturday. It took me 2 days to realise I should have opened it earlier, because this is it. Open up. Look at that. The Xbox Series X. Oh, that's heavy. Look at that. Alright, this is what everyone is after this summer, and for now I can show you what's in the box. Okay. Okay. Is that it? Yeah. Whoa. Oops. Instruction card. How to put it all together. That's number one. Oh, beautiful. Let's move that to the side. Get that off. Wow. So in all the material you do see it standing up like so. The way I need it is sideways, and there are little feet so you can go sideways. So I'll be going like that. So let's just put it down like that so you can see it. Okay, rest of the box. So excited. So HDMI 2.1. You need this because of the amount of data that's coming through. So, and luckily enough, I have a C10 48-inch LG TV. I'll be testing this on. There's nothing else. Some of that. Okay. So, controller. There it is. So, look at that. Oh, it does feel good. Yeah, that's nice. Xbox controller. HDMI cables I talked to you about. Power cable. Batteries. And I think that's about it. So there it is, the Xbox Series X with controller. Can't wait to bring you my thoughts and the vision that I'll be recording over the next period of time with this baby. Can't wait.